Hello everyone! Welcome to my house. Ayan, nandito tayo sa garden ngayon. Papasok na tayo sa loob ng bahay. Ayan, my brother. Kantahan natin yung chandelier. I wanna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. Joke lang, hindi ko to bahay. My son?
Hindi lahat! Ayan ka na naman!
Happy birthday time! Yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! To them! And go! Yay!
Oh, may ganun pa tayo.
Yay!
Kanyo? Play,
And?
happy birthday. Yung pala eh.
It was too quiet.
It's so quiet. Ayan, happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Silang dalawa.
Yeah, silang dalawa.
Sabay kami.
Sabay sila ng birthday.
Oh, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos, 27.
Aha.
After 10 days, ikaw naman.
Oo.
Oh, isa pa. Happy.
Isa pa meron.